here's a snap. You can use AI in your daily tasks, whether at work or at home, on the weekend, on the weekday. It's a great way to help you be more efficient without having to think about it. Our brains are already overloaded, right? And so if I think about my normal course of the day for the office, I come in maybe around 7:30-ish. I will grab something to drink, hot coffee or something cold, depending on the temperature outside. And then I'll check my Asana task to determine what's prioritized and what needs to get done today or what can be marked completed. I'll check my emails, and then I'll probably be meeting, lunch, because that gets scheduled because it's important. Then more meetings, and then the end of the actual workday, but I continue working to get through more emails, more Asana tasks, and finalizing projects and things like that. AI is throughout the full course of my day. Asana, an AI tool. My calendar, AI tool. My notification settings on my phone, AI tool. So essentially, for those of you who are skeptics, you're probably already in the AI mix. For real. You got an iPhone, you got an Android, iPad, yeah, you're in it. So, all right. But point being is this, it can be very helpful. Think about prioritizing. We have so many to-dos. Sometimes it's more like a to-don't, but there's so much going on in the course of a day, in the course of a week, in the course of a month, year, that you just need to be able to get a grip. And having a tool that can help you prioritize is very helpful. And yes, using the tools of time management, Pareto principle, Pomodoro, all those are great. The matrix, great. However, without having to think about it and having a system do it for you based on your behaviors, it can be a game changer. The other thing it can help is with reminders. We already use the calendar option on our phones. That's an AI tool that we can take advantage of to help make the day more efficient and productive. You can also use AI to help with emails, right? You know, all the incoming, it can help you to organize and sort. I know I use a tool in my Google email that allows me to automatically send an email to a certain inbox. Now you set it all up based on the parameters, and then if it comes in based on who it comes from or what a topic is, it'll automatically filter to a certain inbox. You can also use things like Email Assist in AI, where you can use a tool like ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot to help you edit and sift through an email. If you're trying to really come up with something quick and you put in some thoughts and ideas, it'll quickly summarize it so that way you're not wasting too much time on the things that are repetitive and mundane. It can also help you with scheduling your calendar. Now, I'm a little old school when it comes to scheduling, and my assistant is amazing because she gets me, and I feel like there's no tool that'll be able to duplicate what I need when it comes to scheduling. I'm getting there, but there are things that, like Google Assist, that some of my team has used, and based on kind of their patterns, they'll put in the things they need to do, and Google Assist will schedule it and build in breaks and all those other things, which I think is pretty cool. So if you don't have an assistant or want to also try to use something in addition to an assistant, try Google Assist with your scheduling. You can also use it to track your budget and finances. And lastly, probably most important, AI can help you with mental health and wellness. We know about the mindful apps, we know about Calm, Insight Timer, all of these different apps that provide opportunities for us to sit and be still. We may have iWatches, iPhones, so that way we go walking, counting steps, but there's so many tools that can help you without you having to do the manual tracking yourself. AI is not going to get rid of your to-do list. It's not going to get rid of the overflow in your inbox. It's not going to prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. Those are all the result of human functions and behaviors. But what it can do is help you to manage all those things to make your life just a little bit easier.